Hello, and welcome to another demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting. In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the display settings in Microsoft Remote Desktop on your Mac. To get started, hover over your remote connection and click the pencil in the bottom right-hand corner to edit the settings. Next, click the Display tab to show the display settings. In this window, you'll see multiple checkboxes for using all monitors, starting your session in full screen, and fitting your session to the window. You can also change the resolution of Microsoft Remote Desktop, but in most cases, you'll want to leave it as default for this display. Make sure these settings are checked how you'd like, click Save, and then go ahead and double-click your connection to make sure your settings save properly. If your server window opens in the view that you prefer, like mine has here, then you've successfully changed your display settings on Microsoft Remote Desktop for your Mac. Thank you for watching this demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting, and have a great day.